found your flaws in part 1. Now, it's time to fix them. In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you how to build a personalized skincare, diet, and workout plan using AI. Last time, we used AI to reveal what's holding your looks back. Today, we attack those flaws step by step. No guessing, no random TikTok advice. Most skincare routines fail because they copy someone else's plan. Your skin is unique. Upload a clear photo of your face to ChatGPT and type, "Analyze my skin," and create a step-by-step routine for my exact issues. AI will create a personalized morning and night routine with affordable products that actually work. Your skin and face shape are built in the kitchen, not just the mirror. Tell ChatGPT your weight, height, age, and budget. Then ask, "Create a 7-day meal plan to reduce acne, burn fat, and support muscle growth." AI will give you a grocery list and exact portions, so you never have to guess again. You don't need long gym sessions. Ask AI to design a 3-day lean model workout. Build a routine to improve posture, sharpen the jawline, and sculpt lean muscle. These workouts fix posture, burn fat, and target the exact muscles that make your frame more attractive. Finally, make it simple. Ask ChatGPT to turn your skincare, diet, and workout plan into a daily checklist. Now you have a step-by-step glow-up system you can stick to. But here's the thing. Tracking progress is where most people quit. In part 3, I'll show you how to morph your future face with AI so you stay motivated and never fall off. Subscribe and turn on notifications.